Probably the easiest is just making a grunting sound way down in the pit of your stomach and then just grunting out over the lake or the pond. It sounds something like this.
Huh. Yeah, here they come.
Here they come.
Wow.
Here they come.
I want you to put your hand in the water like a fish. Would that make me come over here?
Probably so. You can try it. Trained professionals do not try this at home.
And don't forget the emu. Well, you're pretty quick. After all, what could a bird do to me?
Quick.
I used to be quick.
That's all right. Oh, he's all right. Are you okay?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Sorry. Yeah, sorry. Just so you know, Jack, either real close or far.
Yeah, I just didn't stand far away. And here are some more examples of my courage. Oh, don't step on a snake or something.
Oh, my heart.
Oh, I always thought penguins were black and white until I visited the penguin encounter at SeaWorld. Ready? Yep. I always thought penguins were black. Oh, that's all right. Ready? I once heard that trunk has over 40,000 muscles. That's right. No. Whoa. When he honks like that, why do you honk? Well, he's aggressive, that's why. Stop it. Stop it. Hey. I think we ought to go back to camp. I gotta wash my pants. Kathleen, when you get ready to enter like a bushy area, something like this, you don't know where the bears are, right? Especially Alaska, Montana, Wyoming. You always have this right here hiking, at least I have. Some people use bells, I like bear spray. Bear spray is really a pepper spray, very powerful. Goes about 10, 20 feet at least.
Is it kind of like mace?
Yeah, exactly. But you wait till the very last minute to hit the bear. You wait till the very last minute.
Right.
And hopefully the bear is downwind from you, because if it's upwind, come right back in your face. So you bring it out like this, you wait till the bear is approaching like this, you gotta hold ground. And if he looks like he's gonna make the attack, you go like this.
Jeez. Ah. Man.
I'm sorry. Did you burn your eyes?
But you're not supposed to do it like that, huh?
Here's one you'll remember, Jack. The overly affectionate llama.
What's that got to do with the rattlesnake, Bill? Hey, Wiley. Wiley. Take a break. Okay. Ready? Yeah. Now, you know, somebody would say that you've had 9 lives. How about you? You're going to have about 1 left if you don't run out. This is an interview I'm trying to do about snakes. It ain't about llamas, okay? Hey, Dolly, take a break. Some animals are attracted to color. Some are attracted to smell. But there's one thing that all animals are attracted to.
What's that?
My hair.
This is Vinny the vulture. Whoa, there he comes. He wants to meet you, too, here.
Is he going to eat my...
No, but hold up the food. He might eat the food. I don't know if he's hungry.
Can you touch him?
Yeah, pet him. Yeah. Except he doesn't talk. Oh, you don't like that. I don't know if he do it.
But your parrot doesn't like... Hey! Oh, shoot! Oh, I ain't got much hair. Ooh. Oh, Vinny, don't do that. I'm not a dead prey. They eat dead things. Oh, hey! Oh! Flying foxes. Flying foxes look like that. But really, they're entirely different life forms. They're very common in Sydney. He's not gonna bite me, is he? Not. Hi, I'm Jack Hanna. Join me on Zoo Life to learn more about the animals of the world. She's eating my hair. I'm not gonna do it. Ready? Ready? Quickly. Childhood is a special time that only happens once, especially if a giraffe is eating your hair, whether it's with animals or human beings. So take the time and enjoy these moments, because there's nothing more precious than a baby, especially a giraffe.
Now, it's not just the hair on the top of your head that animals are attracted to, is it?
No, they seem to like the hair on my chest as well. Oh, that felt good. You get right on the end of it.